Hey friends, if you wish to adjust printer properties on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. So right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Now go to the Bluetooth and devices tab on the list on the left hand side and select printers and scanners in the right pane. Select the printer for which you wish to manage the properties, and now you have all the properties here, but there is a dedicated page to printer properties. You can click on it and then you can manage the printer properties here. Actually these days okay, these are for more in-depth properties. Okay, for example, if you wish to change the availability time, the driver, the device settings, the tray and all, that's a different thing. But if you simply wish to print a test page or open the print queue, you can do it from the settings page itself. Like for example, right now we do not have any print job, and then you can also print a test page. You can change the printing preferences. So basic properties for printers can be managed through settings itself, and for the more complex properties you can select printer properties, and you can also rename the printer and pause or resume printing from the settings panel itself. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.